YouTubers, I know my face looked ghostly pale because I just put on eyebrows and complexion. I've not done anything else, so I want to show you guys what Throwback Thursday today's tutorial will be on. Today's Throwback Thursday item is this ChoSungAh Jello Colour Kit. So if you guys never seen this one, this was at Sephora for a minute a while ago, and they are all like cream jelly finish, similar to the Colourpop eyeshadow pans, the ones that are kind of squishy and jelly like cream shadows. I'm just gonna mainly do a music over tutorial just because I want things to be sped along, since my previous first one was a little bit longer than I wanted to, so we're just gonna hop right in. Alright guys, so that is the complete eye look from the Throwback Thursday palette that I chose today, which is the ChoSungAh, the Korean brand. So we are going to just top it off with the lip. This is the Colourpop lip pencil in Bumble. I'm going to line my lips. And I'm going to fill it in completely. Ooh, this actually looks really nice with it just by itself. I'm going to use this MAC lipstick. I have no idea what it's called, but it looks like this. It's Japanese, so I have no idea. I am going to just pop a little bit of this white color on the lip as well. Just because it is a little bold. And since my eyes are kind of bold, I wanted to mute it down a little bit. That white color is called Pluto. It's so cute that all the names are like planets. Sorry if I'm a little nasally. I'm still getting over another cold. Yes, I got sick again. Okay, now the lips are done. I'm going to set with some setting spray. This is the DeSlick by Urban Decay. And that completes the entire look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And hopefully you guys managed to use the palette that you have. If you have this palette, by all means, you could recreate this look and let me know if you guys loved it. I do love it when you guys tag me in photos of looks recreated. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next Throwback Thursday. I'm gonna try to film a little bit more, but I am still uneasily, so please bear with me. And I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. So